And why our patient, they like so much probiotics? Well, they are natural. Antibiotic and antimicrotic are not natural, without side effects. I am sure that there are not big side effects taking biotics, taking probiotics. I'm not sure with antibiotic. And we can write with specific activity against pathogens. I told you before, the strain specificity is that this strain of probiotics is working in vitro and in vivo like and then antibiotic without side effects. But the big problem, our focus, our gold standard are the relapses, the prevention of the relapses, of the recurrences of the terrible cystitis and vaginitis. And then, we can help to balance the vaginal microflora when we prescribe antibiotic, but it alters also commensal positive bacteria. So we kill all. After a cystitis, we prescribe always antibiotic, but we kill the lactobacilli of the urobioma.